Hi, I'm Hasanain, and this is my Passion Time project. My question was, well, mine and Nikki's question was, how do some of the biggest natural disasters form, and what are some comparisons and differences? By me and Nick and me, whichever. And here's our Trello. Yeah, that's the title. Then we did step 1, create essential question. Step 2, create Trello. Step 3, create blog. Step 4, do KWH. Step 5, get information on the topic. Step 6, create Venn diagram. Step 7, put all the info onto the poster board. Then step 8 is do all like here and so on. Here's our KWH right there. So K, what we know that the natural disasters can kill lots of people, and they can wreck places like houses. They can harm lots of things and places. We want to know how we want to know how natural disasters form and what are comparisons and differences. H, we will research, and we will also use our friend Aiden to help us. Our friend Aiden, he actually did a project like this, but he only did forms, and we are doing comparisons and differences. And he didn't do quite as many things that we did. So let's go to our website here. So this is our home. We just have a slideshow. You see this picture. We decided to use that on our blog post. I just liked it a lot, so I wanted to use it. Here's a volcanic action, like hurricane, tornadoes, another tornado, monsoon, and I think that's just rain. And then let's go to formations. We have lots of information on all of the topics. As you can see, it's like we did tornadoes, hurricanes, tsunami, monsoon, mudslides, and that's it. My favorite, I have to say, is the mudslide. It's just really cool, and I find it awesome that the mud or dirt can just roll down and knock down so many things. It can take down houses, trees, and even boulders. It is really dangerous. I have a video here that shows the mudslide. It takes down trees, and these guys, they escape to water in them, and they nearly got killed in the because of the mudslide. Trees could have collapsed on them. There was people towards that side, and a tree actually collapsed, and almost got one guy, but the guy grabbed him and took him onto the boat. And this is how it forms, so I think this is important. So let's watch this. Sorry about that. So you can see there'll be mudslides. Then it's going to tell us how it's formed right here. So it starts off with a slope, and rain comes down and pushes the mud down. As you can see, it went 80 kilometers per hour. It breaks and makes it go down. So that's really it from that. And wait, let's see this. Okay, watch this. You're gonna see this happen. I think it shows. Nope. Okay. So yeah. Then let's go on to monsoon. Monsoon is a type of flood, and this is how it forms. As you can see, it has to do with evaporation. You can read the captions, but the warm air above the land rises. Cool air from the sea rushes inland to balance the pressure difference. The moisture-rich air forms clouds over the land. The clouds condense and form torrential rain. The monsoon can last for weeks, sometimes months. And that can really be dangerous because it takes down mountains, well, small mountains, as you can see in this picture. The monsoon's rushing in. Here, wait. So just the monsoon is a harsh flood. It can be taller than cars. It hits, like, as you can see here. You see that? It's hitting the mountain. The water's rushing and it's making that collapse. I think it's going to show it now. Wait. No. But yeah, you see some pieces are coming down, and then later on in the video this part comes off, which is really dangerous. And yeah, monsoon is formed, I just showed you, and her tsunami. I always get confused how it's pronounced. It says tsunami, but it's pronounced tsunami. So this has to do with tectonic plates. When tectonic plates, they go. So underneath here, let's see if I can find the diagram so I can show you. Here we go. So as you can see, so it used to be flat. Then the tectonic plates, they collided and pushed the bottom right there up, which sent huge waves and made it flood the land area. So tsunamis have high winds, which makes them even more dangerous, and that your house and places would get flooded, and it will move lots of things. Hurricane. I think this also has to do with evaporation. Yeah, it has to do with evaporation. And here's a diagram. This guy's gonna tell you some stuff. I don't think you guys can hear him, but you should come to the website. It's www.naturaldisaster.weebly.com and watch this video so you can see right there. It's a pretty cool way to show it. I like it. So let's move on to tornadoes. Tornadoes are caused from wind, cold air, and hot air. Cold air and hot air are usually in thunderstorms. Here's a video of a tornado. They can wreck towns, lots of towns, and they would just get demolished. But here's the thing, they don't usually kill that many people. They don't kill that many people often. The highest I think is like 20. Yeah, but they don't really kill that many people. As you can see, most tornadoes form from thunderstorms. You need warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico. As you can see, the cold air and hot air are mixing, and the wind is going in different directions. That's what makes a tornado spin, and then that can be really dangerous. As you can see, the sky is outside when there's a tornado, which is not the best thing. It's a tornado. Yeah, so that's tornadoes. Let's move to comparisons and differences. Comparisons and differences. Tornadoes and hurricanes. They both have heavy winds, lots of rain. Both are very dangerous. Some differences are tornadoes can produce large hail and sleet, can occur almost anywhere, produces lightning, can form in minutes, can last for a few seconds up to hours, and they form over land. Some differences for hurricanes are they can produce tornadoes. Occurs in warm areas, causes floods, forms over warm ocean water. Diameter can be as low as 60 to as high as 1,300 miles. Mudslides and monsoons. Some similarities between both is that they both need water to start natural disasters. They also are both very dangerous and deadly when they occur. Sometimes they may occur without warning. One most similarity is that they both can carry large and break off large pieces of land. Some differences are that mudslides can be caused by fires and monsoons can't. Also, monsoons are mostly water and mudslides are mostly mud or dirt or land. So that's it for my video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye.
There's yes, possibly, kind of, I don't know, yes.